Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good. And how is going?
Yes, ma'am.
How is going?
Lockdown is increasing day by day. Don't know when we, when we get freedom. I don't know.
And switch off the fan.
Mobile.
Shweta, ma'am, did you get access for the Jollyphonic software? Did you try that?
Which one, ma'am?
The software which I sent you the link of, no? Jollyphonics
No,
one.
no, ma'am.
Right?
Software I didn't get it, ma'am.
You didn't try for it?
I went, I tried in website. I saw that software was there, so I
Hmm.
was trying, but I didn't get it.
Hi, Dolly, ma'am.
Hi,
Yes,
How are you?
fine. बट मैडम फोनिक की प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो पा रही है.
Phonics practice, that is different part that we'll have to do it separately.
Yeah.
ma'am. Have you sent the software in group?
No, I sent you personally. No, I messaged you if you want to use it at home for your daughter. Like Jolly Learning is providing free access to the software, so you need to
Okay.
mail them. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So today I will see, ma'am. Actually, I was not getting time nowadays, so
Right.
I did.
Busy, busy doing all new activities, household work,
Yes, ma'am.
everything. Seriously.
Your
Oh
puppet.
wow!
Wow, so cute. See,
Very
Akshat,
cute.
see,
Very cute.
आंटी के हाथ में क्या है puppet?
Ma'am, I was surprised to see my daughter kept this puppet in front of her and she started telling, Bunny, Bunny, do you want to eat something? I will give you carrot.
Wow. It's really fun to see
Yeah, it's
children,
really fun.
they used to talk to them very well.
You know, in morning she was watching some rhymes and in it came it roly poly. So
Okay.
she was saying, Mummy, Mummy, a khotu che. This is wrong. Roly poly comes like this, comes like this.
You're Gujarati?
Sometimes, yeah, I'm
Pooja
Gujarati.
ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have not submitted that to form also, feedback form
Yeah.
of.
I was about to remind you that I need
Hello,
feedback
ma'am.
forms.
Yes.
Hi. Navya,
Hi, ma'am.
hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Enjoying all the activities?
Enjoy. ये मैम, ये मैम, ये आकर मैम.
बच्चों को भी लग रहा होगा मम्मी पढ़ाई कर रही है सारे फोन पे बैठ बैठ
हाँ,
के।
मम्मी स्मार्ट हो गई है. मम्मा, मेरी तृप्ति मैडम भी ऐसे ही करती है जैसे आप कर रहे हो ना.
Oh,
ऐसी
good.
तृप्ति मैडम भी करती है.
अब now
No.
children will start listening to their mothers also. अब बात सुनेंगे
Yeah.
मम्मा की. Otherwise it was like आपको कुछ नहीं आता है, मेरी मैडम को आता है. I will not listen to you.
एक्चुअली मेरे साथ प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि मेरी बेटी है ना, मेरे अलावा मेरे हस्बैंड के साथ बैठने के लिए तैयार नहीं है. जो भी एक्टिविटी करनी है मम्मी ही चाहिए उसको.
नहीं वो तो
पापा
होता
को
ही है
बोलती है,
इनिशियली, दे आर
आप
वेरी
जाओ.
स्मॉल. और छोटे बच्चे हैं तो वो ऐसे ही करते हैं रिएक्ट. बहुत कम है कि जो फादर्स अगर इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं तो कर
नर्सरी में
पाते हैं.
कैसे एडजस्ट होगी, क्योंकि अभी तो ये साल तो शायद नर्सरी भी नहीं होगी.
ठीक है, अभी this year तो we'll have to go for this only, like online or whatever we can do it at home. That only we will have to.
एक्चुअली मैं सोच रही थी, मैं इंडिया आई हुई थी, उसके बाद मैंने सोचा था कि उसको आके मैं तुरंत रख दूंगी, बट जैसे ही इधर आई ये कोरोना वायरस फट गया. अब पता नहीं उसको, क्योंकि शी इज वेरी एक्टिव. आई वांट टू पुट हर इन नर्सरी एंड इट मींस दिस इज द राइट टाइम. शी विल
Nursery तो नहीं,
catch up
but
everything.
she you can put her in play group so that she'll be
Yeah, play.
prepared for the next year.
Yeah. Actually, here they have started chubby chicks and all. They have started one-to-one correspondence and everything for small children, pre-nursery.
Why pre-nursery will help out. 1 year it takes like for 5-6 months for
Yeah.
children to settle down in the new environment and to
Yes.
take the routine. all the
ई-लर्निंग
things.
से ज्यादा अच्छा अगर वो स्कूल में जाते ना, क्योंकि नए फ्रेंड्स बनाते हैं,
अब
वहाँ
obviously
दूसरे एनवायरनमेंट में
physical,
सेट होते
nobody can replace this physical
Yeah.
presence, so
हैं.
that
Cannot
is
be
all right.
replaced.
Yes.
एक्चुअली मैम, बच्चे मम्मी के साथ जल्दी बोर भी हो जाते हैं. उन्हें कोई भी एक्टिविटी उन्हें ज्यादा टाइम कराएं तो वो थोड़ी देर बाद मना कर देते हैं कि नहीं, अब नहीं करना है.
बच्चे ऐसे ही
वो
होते हैं मैम,
comfort
स्कूल
level
में
होता है
भी
ना.
ऐसा ही होता है. स्कूल में भी दे डोंट डू इट फॉर मोर देन 5-10 मिनट्स. दे कीप ऑन डूइंग न्यू एक्टिविटीज. स्कूल में भी यही रहता है बच्चों का. ऐसा नहीं कि वो टीचर्स ज्यादा देर तक हैंडल कर पाती है. वी ऑल्सो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम जो एक्टिविटी कराने जो हमने प्लान की है फॉर द डे, लेकिन वो बच्चे उसमें इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं ले रहे हैं. देन अगेन वी हैव टू चेंज दैट एक्टिविटी. बच्चे इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं
वो
लेते.
मैक्सिमम कब होता है, जब विजिटर्स आते हैं मैम. विजिटर्स आते हैं ना, तो हमने जो प्लान किया ना उससे अपोजिट ही जाता है सब कुछ.
वो तो ठीक है, बट समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस कि कोई एक्टिविटी है, बच्चों का मूड नहीं है वो चीज करने का, या एक या दो बच्चे नहीं बोल दिया कि मैडम ये नहीं करना है, देन अदर्स आल्सो स्टार्ट सेइंग कि मैम नहीं करना है.
Yes.
नहीं करना है.
एंड दे डोंट फील
वो-
लाइक मैम को ना
Yes.
नहीं बोल सकते.
हाँ.
मैम मुंह पे बोल देते, मैम नहीं करना हमें ये.
So they don't fear, no, उनके पास वो fear ही नहीं होता. They are very confident initially.
नेचर ही ऐसा होता है बच्चों का कि वो एक्टिविटीज अगेन नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ.
अगेन एंड
They
अगेन.
want new. मुझे भी फेस से, जैसे
New.
किसी बच्चे को नहीं
अरे
अच्छा
एक
लग रहा है,
बार
मुझे तो फेस से भी समझ में
मंहा
आता है.
करके मेरे में लड़की थी, तो वो हर रोज ऐसे लेट आया करती थी स्कूल में. तो मैंने एक बार उसको पूछा कि बेटा इधर आ, तो व्हाई आर यू कमिंग लेट एवरी डे. तो कहा मैम डोंट टेल टू मी, टेल टू माय फादर.
Father.
मैंने कहा अच्छा, मैं तेरे पापा को बोलूंगी. तो मैंने कहा कि तू बाल बना के क्यों नहीं आई, मम्मी को टाइम नहीं मिला. मैडम मम्मी कहाँ मेरे बाल बनाती है, मम्मी तो सुबह खाली खाना ही बनाती है, मुझे नहलाते हैं, मेरे पापा बाल बनाते हैं.
यही होता है हर घर में.
नहीं, पर वो बच्चे बाहर जाके टीचर को कहने में भी ऐसा नहीं रखते, मतलब बोल देते हैं.
They
Hesitation.
really they are cheat too. होमवर्क क्यों नहीं
और-
किया तो बोलते मम्मा ने
और
नहीं
उनको
कराया.
उनको सबसे ज्यादा इफेक्ट उनके माइंड पे कब होती है, जब मम्मी पापा का कोई घर में झगड़ा होता है ना उनके सामने,
राइट.
तो वो बहुत डिप्रेस हो जाते हैं और वो
Depress
टीचर
हो
के
जाते
सामने आके सब कुछ बोल देते हैं. दैट आई फील दैट पेरेंट्स शुड टेक केयर.
या वी हैव टू टेक केयर कि बच्चों के सामने क्या बात करनी है, और कभी भी
Yeah.
आपको बुराई करनी है बच्चों के सामने बिल्कुल मत करिए।
नहीं
आप
करनी
पीटीएम में
चाहिए।
जाते हैं, स्कूल में जाते हैं, पीटीएम में अगर आपको बुराई बोलनी है तो आप बच्चे को बाहर भेज दीजिए, उसके सामने बिल्कुल नहीं करिए।
कभी नहीं।
तो तारीफ
नहीं।
भी मैं तो कोशिश करती हूँ कि तारीफ भी मत करो उसके सामने, ताकि वो सर पे चढ़ जाए। तो
हाँ,
तारीफ कर
सर
दो
पे
तो ये
चढ़
होता है
जाते हैं,
बच्चे
सही
फिर
बात।
उसको दे टेक इट अदरवाइज, कि वो फिर उसको
और फिर वो घर पे आके अगर हम कुछ बोलते हैं ना,
for
पेरेंट्स
granted.
उनको कुछ बोलते हैं
हाँ।
तो बोलते हैं मेरे टीचर ने तो आपको ऐसा बोला था, आप
हाँ।
क्यों मुझे ऐसा बोल
So
रहे हो।
they take it for granted everything. So when we are talking, no, we should
अरे
not involve
हम
children.
लोग ये नहीं करते, ये हेल्दी टिफिन के लिए बोलते हैं ना कि मतलब रोटी लाया करो, ये
हाँ।
लाया करो। तो ये मेरे क्लास में एक बच्चा था, तो वो बोलता था कि वो हर रोज ऐसा लेज लाए ऐसा कुछ। तो मैं राउंड पे निकलती थी, तो मैंने एक दिन उसको बोला कि बेटा क्यों ऐसे वेफर्स लेके आता है। तो बोलती है मेरी मम्मी मुझे हर रोज ये लेज, उसके पास टाइम नहीं है ना, तो ये रख देती है मेरे टिफिन में। अब पीटीएम आया, मैंने उसको बोला कि मेरे को दो, ये आप ऐसा क्यों देते हो उसको प्लीज। तो क्या मैम वो नहीं, उसको नहीं पसंद। तो क्या चल हट झूठी, मैंने तो तुझे बोला था मुझे रोटी सब्जी रख, तू लेज रखती है।
बहुत मजे आते हैं छोटे में बच्चों के तो।
सही बात बोलूं ना, तो मैंने जितने साल जॉब की ना इधर, आई रियली एंजॉयड इट।
वैसे ये सही है, बच्चों के साथ एंजॉयमेंट तो बहुत ज्यादा होता है।
We learn a lot with children.
Yeah, we learn lot of
We
things.
enjoy a lot. Yes, this is the only age group which we can really enjoy, and they do really respect us. They do listen to us. तो बड़े हो जाते हैं उसके बाद तो they don't listen. They don't
मैं
स्पेशली छोटे बच्चों के लिए ये करना बहुत अच्छा होता है। केजी, ग्रेड 1, ग्रेड 2,
grade 2 तक they are okay, right?
मैम मैं चोइथराम में ट्रेनिंग चोइथराम में ट्रेनिंग में थी, तो एक बच्चा था 3 साल करीब का था। वो लिखता बिल्कुल भी नहीं था, उसको जब भी रिटर्न वर्क हो वो मैं बहुत स्लो लिखता रहता था। एक बार उसको बुलाया, मैंने हाथ पकड़ के लिखवाया कि चलो लिखो, तो भी नहीं लिखा 2-3 बार। फिर बहुत जोर से गुस्सा दिखाने लगा, जाके कोने में खड़ा हो गया। उससे पूछा क्यों, क्या हुआ। मैं बहुत गुस्से वाला आदमी हूँ, और जब तक मेरा गुस्सा किसी पे शांत नहीं होता है ना, मैं ठीक नहीं होता हूँ। मैंने उस टाइम इतनी हंसी आई उसके जो एक्सप्रेशन थे देख करके। फिर बाद में पीटीएम हुई तो उसके मम्मी पापा को भी बताया, तो एक्चुअली उनके यहाँ फैमिली कुछ प्रॉब्लम था। वो बच्चा इकलौता था, मम्मी उसको पढ़ाना चाहती थी, पर ग्रैंडफादर ग्रैंडमदर जो थे वो हमेशा सपोर्ट करते थे उसको। इस चक्कर में वो बच्चा पढ़ ही नहीं पाता था। नहीं रहने दो, नहीं कर रहा है तो जाने दो। इस चक्कर में उसकी मदर भी, मैंने लिटरली आके पीटीएम में रोने लगी कि मैम मैं क्या करूं, आप बताओ, मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं पाती हूँ। मेरे को भी ये इसी तरह से ट्रीट करता है कि मैं तो बहुत गुस्से में, सामान फेंकता है, ऐसा वैसा।
नहीं, ये बच्चे जो घर में सुनते हैं ना, हम जो बच्चों के बारे में बोलते हैं ना, दैट दे कीप ऑन रिपीटिंग कि मैं ऐसा हूँ, क्योंकि उसको घर में ऐसा बोला जाता है बाय एल्डर्स। कभी पापा बोलते हैं, कभी दादा दादी, जो भी है ना। अपन गुस्से में या दूसरों से बात कर रहे हैं तो हम ऐसी बात करते हैं कि ये इतनी मस्ती करता है, शैतानी करता है, तो बच्चे वो सुन लेते हैं, एंड देन दे एक्सप्लेन दैट थिंग ओनली इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर्स।
मेरे ही बेटे को बोलो कि मुझे ऐसा पसंद नहीं है बेटा, ऐसे नहीं करो, तो वो मुझसे ही बोलता है मुझे आपकी ऐसी बात बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है।
Obviously you will have to accept.
मुझे बिल्कुल ऐसी बात बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं है, पसंद नहीं है।
We have to be smart mothers now.
मैम मुझे एक चीज और पूछनी थी। मेरा जो बेटा है ये 4.5 ईयर का है, अभी इसको स्कूल में रिटर्न वर्क कुछ भी नहीं है। ये केजी 2 में जाएगा इस साल। 1 2 3 4 15 20 तक ये लिखता है, अपने हिसाब से ही लिखता है, और ये दोनों हाथ से लिखता है। पर
हम थक जाते हैं बच्चे, क्या करें।
मैंने उसकी क्लास टीचर से बोला तो बोली नहीं मैम प्रेशर मत देना, वो जिसमें कंफर्टेबल हो आप लिखने दो। पता चला पहले लेफ्ट से लिखता था, अब वो दोनों हाथ से लिखने लगा है।
कोई बात नहीं, ओके।
तो अब मैं इसको घर में रिटर्न वर्क की प्रैक्टिस दूं क्या, चालू करूं क्या?
If he is ready, you can give, but don't give him
वो
more.
तो क्या
Like,
कहता है,
give him something.
मैं तो अभी छोटा हूँ, पर मैं तो अभी छोटा हूँ, मैं क्या पढ़ाई करूंगा।
Pooja ma'am, where from you?
I am from Gujarat,
Okay.
Currently staying in UAE.
UAE. Okay.
Okay, hello everyone. Shall we start now?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Others
Hello,
must be
ma'am.
getting
Hello,
bored. They must be thinking now today what is going on over here. We were just waiting for others, so started talking, chatting, sharing experiences. Today we'll talk about the sense of touch. Okay, so
good touch and bad touch.
not the good touch and
No,
bad
no.
touch,
Touch and
only
feel.
the touch. Okay, yeah. So what is this and how we can work more upon it with the children? How to develop this sense accurately, like so that they can work it out with these things. Because touch is a one sense which we use to explore the things, to learn the things, to know more about the things. Right. So can you name the organ which tells us about the touch thing? Like which
Skin.
organ is this called?
Skin.
Skin. Yes. So when the child is born, so is he able to feel touch or not?
Yes.
How?
Because mother's touch.
Yes, he can understand the mother's touch. This is the first emotional feeling also which is developed in the children with the touch only. The touch of the mother, which the child feels, which gives him the love and sympathy, which shows the caring, security, right? And it is the experience which the child develops first. And when the child touches anything new, it helps to develop the brain also. When we are touching something new, we have a new sensation in the brain that this is something new. Or when we touch different things like soft or hard, there is a difference between these touch. So whenever we touch anything new, we develop a sense of that in the brain. So the network develops in the brain. We have the neurons. So the neuron network develops with each touch. So that is why whenever we show anything to a child, he first want to touch it. जब भी कोई चीज बच्चे को दिखाते तो उसको सबसे पहले वो टच करता है, टच करके देखता है, ठीक है. And maybe he must be trying to put it in the mouth if he can hold it and grab it, right? I'll show you the PPT now.
I don't know.
Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So what we come to know when we touch anything, there are different types of touch.
Sorry.
Good touch, bad touch.
Okay.
Rough.
Other
Ma'am,
than
for
this,
kids, different types of sensory balls are also available. Like
yes.
when you touch it, it gives different feelings.
Okay.
Matte.
Soft, hard,
Yes.
hard touch, soft touch, weak,
Hard.
dry.
Yes. Okay.
So
यार समझ नहीं आता है
I'm muting all. If you want to speak, you have to unmute yourself. Okay. Because it was creating noise. Right. So there are basically three types of touch. Like we can name them in three different categories. Like whatever we say hard or soft, it can come in the mechanoreceptors. Like we are coming to know how the texture or maybe the nature of a thing is. It is either hard or soft. So it is telling about the pressure. With the help of pressure, we are understanding the hardness and the softness. Vibrations are there and textures are there. Textures like the rough or the smooth. Right. And then there are thermoreceptors. The second thing which we come to know about the temperature with the touch, like something is very hot or cold or hot or medium, maybe a little hot, right? So we come to know all these things with the help of touch only.
Touch.
Yes. And the third one is the pain receptors. Pain, like if we are having a pinch something, when we pinch, it gives us a pain, a feeling. When we get like needle also, if it is pricked or maybe mosquito bite, so we come to know that it is a kind of feeling which we are receiving, which is in the form of a pain. So there are three different main categories where we feel the touch. So for giving them the exposure to the touch, we can use different fabrics or maybe different textures, papers, to give them to feel like which is rough, which is smooth. Then we can give them the vocabulary also. What is rough? So they have to feel while we are teaching them the word also rough. So they should know what rough is. Maybe we can take the sandpaper, the regmal paper which comes, no, it is rough. Or maybe you can stick sand in the paper, then it will become rough surface. And when we go like on the tabletops, they are smooth. The floor is smooth. And maybe the sofa, you can touch the sofa texture. Bed sheets you can use. You can use the clothes which they wear. Right, the jeans has the rough surface, rough texture. But when we use
We can use
shirts,
the utensil scrubber also,
yes,
ma'am.
yes, that
The
also we can
rough
use.
one.
Right, for the rough. So whatever the material is available at home, which we can use and we can show them. So here we are giving them the vocabulary of different things. Like how do we feel? When we touch different things, we feel differently. Okay, so here we are giving them the vocabulary that this is rough, smooth, maybe hot or cold. You can take the water in the glasses, maybe warm water, not much hot. So here we are giving them two more words, that this is hot and this is cold. So we should not supposed to touch hot. Why? Because it can hurt us. So we have to be aware of these things. Why we have to keep away from the hot things, that we can take it. Maybe you can pinch your baby and then you can see how you're feeling now. So it is the skin which is telling us. This is the skin which is responsible for telling us all these things. It's a sense organ. Right. In the school, I show you one. In the school, I made this touch ladder. In the touch ladder, they were supposed to walk on the different types of materials, and they have to feel. So I kept big stones, like which is the brick stones, the bigger ones. Then I put these small stones, concrete, and then again the concrete, that the very small stones. Then I kept the sand in that. So they were supposed to walk and feel. How do you feel? So they really enjoyed it a lot. They wanted to walk again and again. They wanted to explore different things. Then in one of the bowl is the bubble wrap. So when you put on the bubble wrap, how do you feel?
They
Then
enjoy
cotton, then cotton was there. Then in the last there was water, and then on the mat. So this activity, they enjoyed it a lot. They wanted to do it again and again. So we can do it, make them walk on different things maybe. It depends on the availability of the material. In school, you can use it. If you are a teacher, you can use it in the school. So then after teaching, we have to test them, that how much they know now. So how can we test on, we can make it more interesting, then we can play certain games or maybe activities. So for first you have to show them the things and let them feel that what it is. They should know that what is the thing and how does it feel. So they will touch and feel and they'll come to know. And then later on we can play a game. So the game, whenever we are asking them to recognize the things with the help of touch, it is always suggested that you should put blindfolds in the eyes. Means you have to cover the eyes of the child. And with eyes closed, then they have to recognize what do they have in their hands. So then we are closing eyes. If we give them something new, we can ask them, how do you feel? What is the nature? It is hard or soft? How are you feeling when you touch it? Then is it rough or smooth? Then they have to name the thing what it is. What is the size? It is big or small. They can feel it and then they can tell you. With the blindfold activities, they really enjoy it a lot because they have fun with this and they want to do it again and again. And if we can keep two pairs of single things, like one pair of single things, two things each. Then ask them to feel one and let them find out the other thing of that, the same thing. So whatever is available, two, that you can use it. Like buttons, you can use the smaller ones. Let them feel. Maybe the cotton balls you can use, or shape things. Balls you can use. The big balls also, small balls also. Maybe if they have similar blocks from their toys, you can use. Cars you can use. So whatever, there are two same things in the same texture.
Ma'am, I have this book. Ma'am, I have this book. This book was very helpful for my daughter.
Is it for touch?
Yeah, Touch and Feel Playbook by
wow.
Ehrlich Chal.
Okay.
It was very helpful. My daughter enjoyed it a lot.
Can you show it to everyone by opening it? What does it have?
Ma'am, I will send pictures.
Okay, fine. Right.
Wait, I will see.
So they are really, want to touch the things at this time when they are very young. No, they want to touch and explore what it is. So here, yes, you can see the difference. So maybe the lion hair you will find, the skin of the animals you will find.
Yeah, this is this one.
Mm.
Okay. Then when I move to this one is rough. This one is petals. This okay. This one is smooth.
Right, the mirrors.
Okay. Then when I move to this one, the frog skin. The texture of the fish skin. Then this color yellow. Then ladybug. This is soft one. When you open this one, cocoon, caterpillar comes out.
Yeah, this is hard one. Okay.
Then this whole butterfly. It is with that what we say. It is very beautiful book, and my daughter enjoyed it a lot for almost 2 years.
Wow, lovely. So it's a storybook. Lovely book.
I will send pictures of this book.
Sure. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so like this, we can play different games related to the touch and let them touch and feel everything. And then we can play certain games. Right, and after 2-3 days, I'll show you that we have made a book also for the sense organs. So where each organ, what do we use for? We made them to, stick the things with the different textures also. Maybe the paper, fabric, silk fabric is very smooth. Okay, cotton fabric is a little bit rough. Maybe the rougher. So if the children are elder one, you can give the degrees of roughness also, or a smoothness. That how smooth is it, or how rough the thing is. Then we can increase the difficulty level for the 5-year-old children. For 3-year-old, it is okay. Then we are giving rough and smooth. The two things, soft, hard. We have the soft toys, and stones are very hard. Okay, trees trunks, the texture of trees trunk, that is also hard and rough also. So we can give them the different.
Even the different flowers have different textures.
Yes, different flowers also we can give. So it depends. Like thorns also we can tell them that these are the thorns, different parts. Where do we get? So this is how. So this was the activities for related to touch, how you can introduce it to children and how we can explore it at home even. You can, whatever is available at your home, you can use it and then let them play with all these things. So what happens once we give them the vocabulary or the thing, so it is the learning stage. And whenever they come across with a new thing with the same concept, they do tell us, ma'am, see, this is what new it is. ये कैसे feel हो रहा है? Then they start exploring because we have taught them that this is also like it is a name of something and we can explore it. So when they come to know, they start exploring by themselves. Then we don't need to teach them again and again कि अब इसका texture क्या है, देखो इसका क्या है. वो खुद से ही देखने लग जाते हैं कि इसमें ऐसा feel हो रहा है. क्योंकि अब उन्होंने सीख लिया है तो वो हर चीज को फिर उसी फॉर्म में देखना शुरू कर देते हैं. So they start exploring the thing with from all the point of views, from all the perspectives which we have taught them, and they will definitely share with you if they found something new also. अगर उनको कुछ नया मिलता है तो वो बिल्कुल आपसे शेयर करेंगे, because we have taught them, so they will share with us only, right? Any questions related to that?
Yes, Aarti ma'am, hello. Yeah.
Hi,
Vanika
hi
here.
Vanika, yes. How are you?
I actually I'm still not good, yeah. This time you really can't afford to be sick. I really feel like this.
Seriously.
It's been 2 days that I'm on rest, but I really didn't wanted to quit the class, so I was there.
It's okay.
Actually, I have a question here that my daughter was 6 months when I went through, like, you know, in a webinar I went, and somebody told me that you can actually develop the sense of stimulation, whether it can be any of the sense organs, from 6 months onwards. But now she's all like 1.5 years. But I feel like whenever I sit with her or try to teach her, or maybe, you know, show, there is no sign of, there's no change like this. She doesn't like. So is it true that you can actually teach 1.5-year-old child?
No, it is not teaching at this point. It is only exploring the things. So when she'll be able to, you know, respond you in the manner you are expecting, then you will get to know each and everything. Whatever she has learned during this time, no, you will get the output when she'll start speaking. She will start responding to the questions.
Actually, I gave her games, like, you know, I gave her many things. I gave her utensils to bang. I tell her, like, you know, I gave a ball to run. She does n number of things. I, you know, hide few of her things and then let her find it out. She's quite smart in doing everything. In fact, we play rhymes together. I make sure that I, you know, start with those religious, some shloks also she should get into it. Not only the nursery rhymes. But then, sense of stimulation, I failed to understand that. I gave her things and I started telling her about the dots, about the circle, about something. What did I do? I had pasted everything on one wall in my, daughter's room. And then I used to show her different things. I tried doing it, but I didn't find that the child responds a lot on these things.
So in what form you are expecting to respond? Like what she can do now? Can she speak?
She tries to speak now.
Okay, yes. And she responds your questions, the daily routines, whatever you ask. Like how do you communicate?
She responds. There's no strong communication I can say, but yes, one day I was playing with a ball. It was a different game. You know, I had made that ball hide at one place. She used to find and she used to run after taking that ball. Okay. Early in the morning when she got up, again she started doing on her own the same thing. So I realized that she's catching everything what I'm teaching to her, or maybe whatever I'm doing different every day. You know, I change the thing with her. But then when I give her anything to, touch or feel, she just wants to eat or taste. That's it.
So it's okay. She's exploring because she doesn't know what to do with all these things. So this is what it is. That when we are trying to teach the vocabulary also, this if you ask her that what is hard and soft, so maybe she'll take time. So you can just give them the vocabulary with the feeling. When you are giving the word hard, you have to make her touch the surface hard. You will have to put her hand on this hard surface. This is hard, this is hard, this is hard. Many a time it should go into the mind. Then you are touching the another thing which is soft.
Ma'am, the same thing we can do with toys also. If the toys are lying down anywhere, my daughter used to say me that, Mama, this is blocks, this, you will not get hurt. But when it comes to fishing or something which is pointed enough, she tells me that, Mama, you will get hurt. Don't touch this. If you put leg on this, you will get hurt.
You have grown up. That's what
I'm telling. I was not expecting from her, but I used to give her such books, different types of balls and everything. I didn't ask her anything. Now, gradually, she is almost 2.5, but now she has started telling me.
Because now
hard touch and soft touch expressions work. Ma'am, you can give the expression like in hard touch, you can give the expression like your face should be able to express. That way the child express in 1.5 to 2. I have noticed in this in my school. When we are giving soft, then they feel like, wow, it's like this, and hard is like this. Expressions get comes from the child at this stage. And in the rhymes also, they pick up some words, like Vanika ma'am was telling, they pick some words only, and when they are in the mood.
I can't find her. Vanika, are you there? I can't see.
Oh, ma'am, yeah. Like her question was like she's not giving reply. I think like communication was there.
No, actually she'll
Something.
take time a little bit because she's very
Yes,
young. Our
because-
daughter is 1.5
yeah.
only. So
She is
she'll
too
take
young
time.
to express,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is what.
But ma'am, in that case, only some
Cannot
words come
expect,
from the
this is
child.
what, when
Yes,
to expect
that's
is
what.
more important than anything else. हमारे expectations इतने ज़्यादा high होते हैं, we want the results immediately. That
After 2 years or something, you will get surprised how she reacts.
Yes. Once you start expecting, no, stop
Can I
expecting. then you'll
share
get-
my
Sure,
experience?
Sure, sure Rima, tell me.
Yes, this is one of my experience, ma'am. Even I used to expect from my son when he was just 1.5 that why he's not responding. Even he was not responding to any of my things. He used to know, but he was not expressing. And all of a sudden, when he turned 2, he started expressing every of the thing what I've been taught him. So after 2, maybe the child may be at the moment when he wants to express, he will express. They take their own time.
Of course.
I have experienced this personal experience.
So this is, of course, it is
Then
there. Every
after that, I
child knows
realized
it is
when the child wants to.
No, when
Yes.
the child is capable
Ma'am, I
of,
wanted to
what
ask
they are
one.
capable of doing, no, we don't need to ask them, they start doing on their own.
They will
Yes,
eat your
ma'am.
head.
Exactly happened. Ma'am, I wanted to ask one more question.
Sure.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, from this. Ma'am, are you getting me?
I'm listening to you, of course.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have been pushing him for every little thing from the very beginning till now. Now he's almost 4.5. So I have to push him for his study, for his any activity, for his painting, everything. So I think, should I stop it here for pushing him, or should I still push him? Or else I am having a certain thing in mind that pushing him shouldn't be his habit. That जब तक mama push नहीं कर रहे तब तक he won't. He won't do it on his own.
Because it has now become a habit. Because it is doing since beginning.
So should I stop here?
Because the pushing, we don't have to push, we have to support, we have to facilitate the learning, we have to be guide. जैसे वो रास्ता है वो दिख रहा है, लेकिन चलना कैसे, आपको सिर्फ गाइड करना है. जब तक वो खुद नहीं चलेगा, वो खुद नहीं सीखेगा कि वहां तक कैसे पहुंचना है. That he will only have to experience. और वो जो लर्निंग है वो एक्सपीरियंस से ही आती है. आप कितना भी उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन दे लो, इंस्ट्रक्शन से लर्निंग नहीं आती है. We also can
Yes,
think
ma'am.
of ourselves. जब तक आप खाना बनाओगे नहीं, आपको नहीं पता चलेगा कि कैसे खाना बनता है. फिर धीरे धीरे आदत हो जाती है कि कितना खाना बनाना है और उसमें कितना मसाला डालना है वो हमको पता रहता है. वो हम रोज नाप के नहीं डालते हैं, वो हमको क्वांटिटी से समझ में आ जाता है. So that is what experience is.
That comes with experience.
वो धीरे धीरे बच्चे
That comes
they are
with
in the,
experience.
yeah, they are in the learning stage and they are learn to explore. They are born to explore. They are born to learn. Learning is their right. Nobody can stop it.
Okay. But ma'am, now all of a sudden I can't change his pushing habit to suddenly of learning.
Of course, you
So
have to
can you
reduce.
just
You have
guide
to
me?
reduce. You have to reduce. जिसको वो बहुत बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं कर रहा है, उसमें आप पुश मत करिए. So you will have to see the situation कि वो जो हैबिट है उसकी पर्टिकुलर वो कितने ड्यूरेशन में है, कब करता है वो ऐसा काम. अगर वो जिद कर रहा है तो वो कब कर रहा है, कितनी देर के लिए कर रहा है, that we need to identify. और वो बिहेवियर कितनी बार रिपीट होता है, किसके सिचुएशन में रिपीट होता है, एंड हाउ आप उसको कैसे हैंडल करते हो, वो आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा कि लास्ट टाइम आपने ऐसे हैंडल किया था तो वो जल्दी काम डाउन हो गया था. देन यू कैन यूज द सेम मेथड. So it goes personally. Nobody can share their own experiences that you can apply on your child. Everyone has its own style and own child.
Parenting
Very
style.
different. Yes. So that we have to handle. Whatever you want to give them, just
Can you discuss?
Sorry.
Hello.
Yes. Yeah. Hello. Yes, Rima.
Ma'am, can you, if it's too late now, can we discuss tomorrow? can we discuss tomorrow on how to raise the confidence in a child?
Sure,
Because
I'll
I
try.
somewhere feels that he's of low esteem.
Okay, fine.
Hello.
Sure. I'll try. I'll give you few tips which you can try. Okay, and then we can see that how
Because
does
what
it
I
work.
felt is he's performing in front of me, but he is having a stage fear of what I don't. There he's somewhere struggling with.
Okay.
Otherwise, he's doing good.
All right. Okay.
Ma'am, for stage fear, I would suggest that the toy mic or anything start giving, so it will build a little bit of confidence. Because I have seen in my class that even the children who are not speaking, after some time they started speaking on mic and everything, and they feel proud of themselves.
We
Okay,
can
guys.
we
Sorry to
can show
interrupt.
them YouTube videos also. As a student, there's so many videos of kids like show and tell activities and like this.